Namaskar. I am Dr. Prakash K. Mehta, President of the Society for Maternal Fetal Medicine, India. Preeclampsia is a multisystemic disorder which causes great amount of maternal morbidity and mortality and ranks almost equal with the other two important causes of maternal mortality and morbidity, that is hemorrhage and sepsis. Preeclampsia, being a multisystemic disorder with its varied and atypical presentations and signs and symptoms, is often confusing and difficult to screen, identify, diagnose, manage, and prevent the complications. The Society for Maternal Fetal Medicine India, in association with the International Society for the Study of Hypertension in Pregnancy, has come together to make this program the Preeclampsia Education Nation of India, that is PEN-I program, to spread the awareness and correct the knowledge regarding the signs and symptoms and the screening and management of preeclampsia. We have as a faculty people with vast experience in managing preeclampsia and also those who have done maiden research in the field of preeclampsia. PEN-I program has been formulated with deep thought under the chairmanship of the International Chair, Dr. Sarosh Rana, and the Indian chairs, Dr. Revati Rajan and myself, that is Dr. Prakash Mehta. We from the society are hoping that with this program, the obstetricians across the country would be able to manage preeclampsia in a much better way and bring down the maternal and morbidity right across the country. Come, let us join our hands to give the best of the management to our women with preeclampsia. Nasti matra samachaya, nasti matra samagatiha, nasti matrusamam tranam, nasti matrusama prapa. This Sanskrit shloka says that there is no shade like mother, no resort like mother, no security like a mother, and no other ever giving fountain of light like a mother. Let us give our best to the mothers. Thank you very much and hope to see you in the program. Have a good day and stay safe.